Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert each worksheet as new workbook. And the new workbooks have to be saved in this folder, Sheets to Workbook. This source Excel contains all the worksheets. This workbook contains 7 worksheets with the individual country name. And my task is to convert each this workbook as individual workbook with the country name. Let's implement this using VBA Code. By pressing Alt F11, we will land on the VBA editor. Just go to Insert menu and choose Module. Here, start with the subroutine. That is sub. I would like to name my macro as Sheets to Workbook. To move further, I need two variables. Those are one is for Workbook and another one is for Worksheet. Dim WB. In shortcut, WB is refers to Workbook. So I declare WB variable as Workbook. Another one is Sheet. SST is my shortcut name, and I will declare this variable as worksheet. I'll assign WB variable to this workbook. Thus, set WB equal to this work. Now, let us start with for each loop for each SHT. SHT means worksheet. Already we have declared here SHT in WB dot worksheets. This loop will iterate over the all sheets. SHT dot copy. This code will copy each worksheet and the copied worksheet will become active workbook. Now we have to save that active workbook in this folder. To do so, just I'm giving a right click and I'm copying the path of the folder. Active workbook dot save as. I'll supply the path. Here I will assign the worksheet name as workbook name. So that's sst.name ampersand. Here I have to specify the file extension, that is .xlsx. Now this workbook has to be closed. To do that, just I'll copy this code and workbooks of this workbook dot close. I'll arrange the screens side by side so that we will observe the changes. Alright, let's execute the code by pressing F8. F8. Okay, workbook variable assigned. Loop started. If you see, the first worksheet has been copied and the worksheet became a new workbook. Now let us save this active workbook. F8. Yes, the workbook has been saved and this workbook will be closed. A new workbook has been arrived with the sheet name. And I'm doing for the same for the next sheet. Another sheet will become a new book and the book is saved and the book has been closed. Like the way we can convert all worksheets into new workbooks in the specified path. By pressing this play button or F5 keyword, we can execute the code at once. As of now, I am pressing this play button. It is executing all the code. Yes, if you see in this folder, all workbooks have been saved with the sheet names. Like the way we can execute our code. Alright, thank you guys. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please share, comment, subscribe.